Hey baking besties, it's Elise and we are back with another new video. Today it's an iced Vovo cookie house. If you don't know what an iced Vovo is, it's an Australian cookie that's basically like marshmallow jam and coconut all in this little sandwich. I'm going to use some white chocolate to stick these together. I'm going to make two side walls. I've got one back wall and then I'm going to use a different color. This was actually a lamington flavor that they bought out a little while back to make my roof pieces. So two roof pieces. And I'm just using melted white chocolate to glue those together. White chocolate is honestly one of your best friends as a baker. It is the best edible glue. I'm going to use that to stick these three pieces together, making sure everything's totally set before I do. And you're just going to have to give it a little bit of support. Once it can actually stand up under its own weight and you're confident it's not going to fall down, just give it a couple of minutes. This is a good opportunity for me to tell you about my foodies. These are my Foodie Hoodies. So as I'm coming back here on YouTube, I want to try and keep my videos less advertising and I want to work less with brands. So I'm doing this by bringing in my own merch. This is all designed from me, from my pure imagination. Yeah, these hoodies are like super oversized, super snuggly couch potato wear. If you love what I do and you think you want to snuggle on the couch and watch it, grab one. They're so fun. All right, back to our little house. We're going to use some white chocolate just to spoon on the top of our load-bearing walls. And then you're going to take your two roof pieces and just dip them in the white chocolate. Depending on how cold it is, you've got a little bit of time on this. So it's sort of a double-edged sword. If it's really warm, you're going to have to hold it like this for longer to set it. If it's really cold, you're going to have to work quicker to get those pieces together before the chocolate sets. So we're going to emotionally support the roof structure. This is why it's really important for the base to be super set. Otherwise, the whole thing will come crashing down like the collective mental health of the Western world in the last couple of years. But we don't want that for our beautiful house. I'm going to add a tea light candle because you guys know that I'm a big fan of something that glows. And the base of this house is actually hollow. So you can just lift it up, put it back down, whatever. This is a fake tea light. It's not real. There's no flames here. It's not going to burn. And then I'm going to add the two doors, which is just one more cookie cut in half. Now, I'm using these iced Vovos because I really like the color. I think they're just fun, but you can basically make one of these with any cookie that you like. Gingerbread houses are not just for Christmas. Like edible houses should be able to be constructed everywhere. And with the cost of real estate, this may be as close to a new home as a lot of us get in the next few years. I've got a couple of little round candy decorations to add as my door handles, and away we go. All right, I'm going to tidy it up and we'll take some beauties. I just want to show you a little bit more about my range, like this OnlyFans shirt. Obviously, that's me. I've always loved puns, food puns. I love all this retro candy, and I have this super bright vibe that makes it really hard for me to find things that I actually want to wear outside of the kids section. So I thought, I'm just going to design it myself. It's all available on MyCupcakeAddiction.com, and there is no pressure to buy. It's not a hard sell, you guys. I just want to let you know about it. If you do want to support the channel or you're looking for gifts or you're like me and you just want something super loungy, comfy, bright, fun with that kind of foodie twist, yeah, go check it out. Go check it out. It's been a labor of love and it's something I'm really proud of. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I got to tell you, it feels great to be back here on YouTube, and the love that you've shown me coming back after a bit of a break, I cannot tell you how much I appreciate it. So happy baking, you beautiful humans. I hope you have the most amazing day. And as always, thanks very much for watching. God, it feels like so long since I've said that. Like for hundreds and hundreds of videos, that's how I ended every single week. And it's been so long since I said it. Huh. Thanks very much for watching.